We are standing here today at our dry products location in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. The product that you see here is what will be displayed at the TCI show in November. Today we're demonstrating our 13'9" aluminum chipper body with the long sill structure underneath the unibody. This body may look a little different from the previous pictures and videos you've seen. This particular body is a 13'9" with the front notched out to accommodate the cross box to make room for it. So this body is equipped with a Champion CS620, which is a 20-ton underbody hoist, and it is powered by a 12-volt double-acting power pack. So we're demonstrating here the functionality of the Champion hoist. It is powered by a 12-volt double-acting hydraulic power pack that's situated in an enclosed box here in the frame rails to keep it out of the elements of the corrosion and so on, and protect it from the road debris as well. It does come with a cover that comes over top of it that completely closes the box in to protect it from all of the elements on the road. This style boxes are manufactured for the arborist industry to meet their requirements for productivity, capacity, and securement. This front pad box here, it is what they call a pad box that's designed to slide in 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of either plywood or poly that they lay down on the grass to protect the grass from the equipment that they're going to be using. So it will hold, it's 6 inches inside diameter, so it'll hold 8 to 10 sheets of product, whether it's plywood or poly. The cross box has a 3-point locking system. And again, it's all manufactured out of marine quality aluminum. Inside here, you will see a series of 8 swing out J hooks for the arborist to hang up all their climbing material, ropes, harnesses, and whatever product they happen to have. As you will see, inside the box here, we have 3 drawers. They pull out from the passenger side, which we will show you in a bit. But there are 3 drawers that pull out completely outside to so the arborists have access to removing, installing whatever products they choose to store in them. On this side here, we leave this part vacant by request to put in lunch pails, water bottles, of various sizes. So like I indicated, it has a 3-point latching system over here. And then for added security, we have another anti-theft locking system on the back side here. Once the doors are closed, you push in this lever, and then you put in the latch, and it locks it. Now you cannot open this door. It's got a 2-point solid latching system on the inside. And once you let the chipper body down, it hugs this skirt here, so there's no way that you can get access to this anti-theft locking mechanism until you raise the chipper body up. In order to raise the chipper body up, you have to have access to the inside of the truck cab itself, where the controls are to raise and lower the actual chipper body. Okay, this is the anti-theft locking mechanism that I talked about on the other side, and the this is on the unlocked position. You can now open and close the doors. In order to lock it, you push this in, and then you put the safety key in the backside. And again, once the chipper body is let down, there's no way you have access to this. So it's what they call the triple locking system for the by request for the arborist industry. On this particular build, we've also chosen to install our Tradesman's Pro toolboxes. This particular one here is 24 inches deep, 24 inches high, 60 inches long. On the opposite side of this truck, it has an equivalent body, same brand, same quality, only it's 24 by 24 by 36 inches because of allowable space. So these are the Tradesman Pro boxes. They're heavy duty material, heavy duty stainless steel latching mechanism, heavy duty stainless steel hinges with a double weather seal on the inside. And these are the boxes that we choose for the heavier duty industry, like this particular case, the arborist industry, but also on transport trucks. They fit on any commercial vehicle, whether it's a truck or a semi-trailer. The application goes on any of them, but these are the heavy duty ones for the longevity of the more robust usage. The added safety features that we install on all dumping Voth truck bodies is a pop-up self-centering safety stand that for maintenance purposes, you let a body down, there's a pocket underneath the body where it sets in here. The handle is intentionally built long, so it's outside the frame rail, so it reduced the potential risk of somebody getting their hands pinched if the body comes down accidentally. So it's also on pivoting on bushings that have grease fittings on them, but it's a self-centering. You set it up, step back, let your box down, and it'll center itself in the pocket. The lighting that you see on display on this unit is all standard equipment on all our arborist chipper bodies. You have full functioning brake, turn, clearance lights on the bottom as well as on top. And an added feature is you see the strobe lights that are there. You have the exact same amber strobe lights facing the front of the chipper body. It's all standard equipment on every body that we manufacture for the industry. LED lighting, everything you see is standard. And what I also would like to point out, as you will see, we have little stickers at various different places on the products indicating where all the grease points are located at, on the Champion hoist system itself, also on the Voth products. Anywhere on the body that has a pivot has a grease fitting on it with a little emblem indicating the location of a grease fitting. And they're located at the back end of the body, all the way across. Wherever there is a pivot point, it has a grease fitting and with an indicator as to where it is. You can come and see this truck on display at the TCI Expo show in Baltimore, Maryland, November 7th, 8th, and 9th.